5 books that quietly rebuilt my discipline. Most people don't lack motivation. They lack structure. Over the years, I didn't look for hype books. I looked for books that actually change how you live your day. These 5 books didn't just improve my mornings. They rebuilt my discipline, focus, and clarity quietly. This is 4:59 a.m. Club. Let's get into it. Book 5, The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. If your mornings feel messy, this book brings structure. The Savers Method, silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, writing, gives you a simple starting point. You don't need perfection, you need intention. Strong days begin with intentional mornings. Book 4, The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Most productivity books teach speed. This one teaches direction. The 7 Habits builds discipline from values, not pressure. It reminds you that without principles, productivity doesn't last. If you want effectiveness in life, not just work, this book lays the foundation. Book 3, Deep Work by Cal Newport. Waking up early means nothing if your mind is still distracted. Deep Work explains why focus is the real competitive advantage today. This book changed how I treat my mornings. Not for scrolling, but for thinking, creating, and building. Discipline isn't doing more, it's protecting your attention. Book 2, The 5 a.m. Club by Robin Sharma. Despite the title, this book isn't about 5 a.m. It's about owning the first hour of your day before the world takes your energy. I've read this book more than once, and every time it reminded me, quiet mornings build focused lives. The 20-20-20 rule isn't magic. Consistency is. This book is a trigger, not a rule book. Book 1, Atomic Habits by James Clear. Atomic Habits teaches one powerful idea. Your life is a reflection of your habits, not your goals. This book made me stop relying on motivation and start building systems that work on bad days too. Small habits, daily consistency, identity change. If discipline feels hard, this book makes it logical. These books won't change your life unless you practice them. But if you're serious about discipline, clarity, and building a better day, they're worth your time. All book links are in the description. This is 4:59 a.m. Club. Build quietly, win daily.